Welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I want to show you our bikini pattern top, Helly. Helly can be used as a sports bikini bra, so you can actually use it if you are a bit more active at the beach. It has a round front. On the sides, of course, you have darts for better fit, and on the back you have this part of the pattern, and then you have these two straps coming from this area, so it's quite interesting, the design. This one, it fits a little bit small on my model, but so it's not very perfect here, but actually if you sew the correct size, this will not happen. And then of course it has under the bust bands that ties in the back here with a clasp. You can also tie a knot if you prefer, just extend the straps. Of course, the YouTube tutorial is already available on our YouTube channel, and the pattern is available if you want to acquire it at bikinidesignclub.com. And that's it for today. Bye guys!